Hello. I got something cool in the mail. It's not regarding my power steering, but I got a eBay special short ram that I'm be putting on the car. Um, Shove it over there, and we'll see. Install it and see how it sounds like. So to start, you need to remove the air box and maybe this, we'll see, but this needs to get off. So it's two here on top, it's two 10mm. So yeah, that's it. You just remove the two 10mm and you pull this big old box out and it should be good. So sorry for the lack of information, but yeah, so you just take those fastener, I get no tighter, whatever, screw on thingy, and yeah, make it tight, make it nice. Should not be moving, and I should have nice induction noises. So let's give it a shot and see what it sounds like. Let's see right off the bat if we hear something. No, not really. Oh, maybe. Nice. So let's say if we roll down the street. No, not really, eh? Oh well. Well, it was nice to try. Maybe then. Oh yes. Let's try that again. Oh yes. We got something. Nice. Okay, well, that's a good news. It works. And so to update, first thing is next video will be the power steering stuff, and second update, the temp gauge is working, so that means that our last coolant swap thingy majiggy update and refresh is good. So we're golden. It's not overheating, and yeah, it's happy.